Hi friends, welcome to latest designs. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today I will show you latest dress materials collection. And one request from my side is, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Click bell icon for notifications. The term dress material is quite common among the female shoppers, and in every shopping mall there are shelves stacked with different kinds of dress materials. These are basically unstitched fabrics that are cut in the shape of a particular outfit and sold in that form so that the customer can get it stitched according to her wishes or body fittings. Most often we have a problem with the fittings of ready-made clothing. For this reason, buying the appropriate dress material and getting it stitched is the most convenient option at hand. There are a variety of dress materials available in both malls and online shopping portals. Each dress material is different from the other in the shape or cut of the fabric. The measurements of the unstitched fabrics differ from each other according to the way they need to be stitched to create the desired clothing item. For example, the material for a kurtis will not have any fabric for the bottoms, and the material for a patiala shoe is starkly different from an anarkali. You can easily find unstitched dress materials for any kind of outfit you have in mind. Buying the right kind of material for your desired clothing item is very important if you don't want to be disappointed while tailoring the outfit. If you need chudidar materials, you need to choose the selection carefully. Remember that chudidar needs more amount of fabric than normal salwars, and thus the measurement of the fabric is more important. Chudidars usually need 2.5 meters or more of fabric, so carefully check the measurements of the fabric before buying. Also go for unstitched chudidar material only when you need a chudidar. Online shopping can get you loads of chudidar materials ready to be stitched and worn. Another fact about fabric that you need to keep in mind is the type and quality. Dress materials can be made out any kind of fabric. If you need it for a simple daily purpose, then cotton is the best option. For a shiner and glossier look, silks and satins are the best. But you need to be sure of the quality of fabric too. Don't go for worst quality of material seeing the cheap price. That is the biggest fashion blunder you can make, and you may also have discarded it after the first wash itself. Remember that your fashionably designed outfit may look really dull and cheap if the quality of the fabric is bad. Quality ensures that you look so smart and dignified, and that your outfit lasts long for a long time. You don't need to buy any fabrics at exorbitant prices, but also make sure that whatever you pay, the quality is standard. In this way, you can create customized fashionable outfits for yourself.